Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a Hyundai Ioniq hybrid. Place your foot on the brake, press the start button, and confirm the dash shows ready. If the engine is silent, the hybrid system is active and ready to drive. Check that headlights and accessories are off if you want a quiet start. Adjust mirrors and seat before shifting, and always keep the key fob with you while operating the vehicle. Before starting, do a short safety check that takes less than a minute and protects you on the road. Confirm the parking brake is set and the car is stable, inspect the dash for warning lights, and make sure doors and trunk are closed. Keep the key fob inside and seated passengers buckled. These quick steps prevent surprises and help the hybrid system initialize smoothly so you can begin driving with confidence. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for busy drivers who want a cleaner car and home with voice control and smart mapping. It even laughs at crumbs. Check the description for the link and current deals so you can save time and effort. And now let's get back to the video. Start by pressing the start button while holding the brake. The dash will display ready when the hybrid system is active. Shift into drive and accelerate gently to blend electric and gasoline power smoothly. Use light braking to maximize regenerative charging and check the energy flow screen to learn how the system is operating. Practice in a quiet area to get used to the near-silent start and the transition between electric and engine power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.